We're at Mini Cooper of Orlando, just picking up my brand new 2020 JCW Clubman racing machine. This thing is the bomb. Lounge leather, fully loaded, sunroof. You have all these beautiful air conditioning vents in the back. That's what the headrests look like. Up. I forget how to put these bad boys down. There you go. That's really what you want. You want them things down. Because you're going to be going real fast. So that's how those go down. I had them put seal jet. Oh, and this is, now, kind of guess which day this is. This is Halloween. Say hi to YouTube.
How you doing?
This is Anthony. He's head of the service here at Mini Cooper of Orlando, and I have been one happy guy through 2 different cars. Three cars. And he's walked me through the whole Mini Cooper experience, and I just love this car. I mean, how many guys get a 2020 JCW with a racing motor? Do you think it'll go fast, Anthony?
With you behind the wheel, I guarantee it.
Say goodbye to YouTube.
Have a good one. Good to meet you guys.
See ya. See ya, Anthony. Wow, this is one beautiful car. It really is. And it wouldn't be complete without having that motor. Yeah, pull this twice down here, naturally. And I want to be very gentle, open this bad boy. Now look at that. Look at that. Air cleaner is substantially bigger. This is all bigger. You won't have to revamp that, jazz this up. Downpipe, you have a stiffer chassis, and then they actually put a bar across there. Limited slip, which is the mechanical system in there. Motor cover is different. This is all different, bigger bearings. 19-inch wheels. Brembo brakes, 4-piston. Those 19-inch wheels, what a nice look that gives. And I love these wheels, JCW wheels. So there we have it. Beautiful car, full of all the bells and whistles here at Mini Cooper of Orlando. Highly recommend you get a car from these guys.